Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to clear app uses data on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. From there, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, select personalized recommendations option. You can search it. Look for the option that says clear app uses data and tap on it. You can find it from there. A message will pop up app saying clear app research data. Go ahead and tap that too. And just like that, your app store uses data is cleared. Clearing cellular data uses. If you want to reset cellular data uses, the process is a little different. For this, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on the cellular option or mobile data depending on your region. Scroll all the way down to find reset statistics. Tap reset statistics, confirm, and your data uses will reset to 0. That's it. To quick way to clear app data uses your iPhone. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.